So I wanted to jump in here to walk you through what you're seeing right now. Our platforms for Tower 2 to 6 are almost done. Currently, the crew is working on Platform 7, which will be second phase of this beautiful project. Very soon, we're going to have full crew ready to start building foundations and the core of each of the towers. The feedback I'm getting from our buyers is that yes, they did invest because of the cost per square foot and the amount of amenities you get, well, you cannot simply find anywhere else. From cascading infinity pools to rooftop lounges to enjoy spectacular Cabo sunsets, lush gardens, wellness and fitness, to the convenience of having stores for your day-to-day living. You have it all here at DUNNA. It's truly amazing project. So I've had my coffee in San Jose del Cabo and I am just a few minutes away in DUNNA's site. I hope you enjoyed the preview, and the next time you see me, I'm going to take you on a totally different journey. Look forward to seeing you soon.